Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you joined me today. So I'm going to do my shout out right away. So a shout out to Lynn, Joyce, Christine, Nancy, Michelle, Kayleen, Ricky, Billy, and Christy B65. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, no, we're not making these today. Today we're going to make our own tear ruler. That's right, our own tear ruler. I was watching a video and it was mentioned in Pink Monarch Prints how she made her ruler, but she didn't show how to do it. And I thought, you know what? I've been wanting a tear ruler, but I couldn't find one that I mean, some of them look like they're going to really chew your papers up. I just want a little bit of a rip, you know. I don't want it all torn up. So I decided I'm going to give it a go. Well, I've made a tear ruler down to this point right here. I don't know if you can even tell, but right there you can tell. This part has not been done yet. What I did was I got my little craft iron and I put it on high. And it's been heating up here. And I just take my iron and I just gently touch the edge of the ruler and it melts it, and you can watch it melted. Now you're going to say, oh, you're going to ruin your ruler. Well, I haven't ruined my ruler so far. After just a little bit, I'll go about an inch or two, and then I'll stop and I'll take my little wipe and I just wipe it off. Now this isn't my clothes iron. This is my craft iron, but nothing's happening to it. Nothing. So I'm just going to keep going here all the way down. It is so super cool. I'm so excited. Can you see that it's jagged? That doesn't help. Can you see now it's jagged? Maybe you can see that's jagged. Anyway, oh wait, you can tell this. Yes, you can. Okay, now I'm going to go all the way down my whole 12 inches and I'll be back and we're going to try it out right here on camera. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm down to halfway. Now, did I mention that this is a hard plastic ruler? It's just a hard plastic ruler. I'm halfway. I'm still doing it. Okay, guys, I have gone all the way down my ruler, and it's rough all the way down. It's rough. You can feel it's rough, but it's not hurting my finger. All right, so I am going to put my coffee dyed paper down, and I'll put my ruler down, and we're going to try it out. Oh my gosh, you guys! Look at that! Look at that! It's beautiful! You guys, you've got to make yourself your own tear ruler. It's easy peasy, and you will have so much fun. And look, there's nothing wrong with my iron. It didn't do a thing to my iron. Now, I did wipe it off. I did after a little bit, you know, wipe it off. You guys, give it a go. Give it a go. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye now.